so much. How y'all doing? I should tell you a little bit about this guitar. This is a Rickenbacker that I bought back in, purchased back in the first week of 1969. 68 had been a really good year for me and my band Creedence. We had a big hit single called Susie Q. And at the end of that year, I found myself in that exclusive category known as One Hit Wonder! And that scared the heck out of me. So I thought, man, I better get something together here so that I can maybe put the odds in my favor to have an actual career in music. So I got this guitar and did a bunch of modifications. I won't bore you with all that stuff, but the main thing is I put a Gibson humbucking pickup right here in the bridge because I heard about these guys over in England named Jimmy, Jeff, Eric, and they were plugging in their Gibson Les Paul guitars into a Marshall amp and making the coolest sound ever in rock and roll. And I wanted some of that. By the way, when I put that Gibson pickup in the bridge position there, that was about a decade before Eddie Van Halen did the same thing on this guitar. So I commenced to playing this guitar on all those records like Green River, Down on the Corner, Up Around the Bend, all that stuff. What? I played this guitar at Woodstock! What was I gonna say? Oh, well, things were really good there for a while, and then things kind of went like off a cliff. 1972, my girlfriend had left me, and the band broke up, and my dog bit me. Things looked really dark, and this 11-year-old kid comes up to this place we used to hang out. He says, "Hey, John, can I have one of your guitars?" And I looked at this most trusty, most worthy of all guitars I'd ever had. And I said, "Here, son, take this one." I don't know why I did that, but I did. Yep. Anyway, so I didn't see this guitar for a long time. A couple of years ago, my wife secretly went out into the heartland of America and found this guitar. She found a dude that thought he knew where the guitar was. She knocked on his door, and they cut a deal, and she paid some exorbitant amount of money for my own guitar. Anyway, she brought it home, and she put it under the Christmas tree. Woodstock. That was my invitation for my grandchildren, you know. Hey, Jerry! Anyhow, dig the jammy pants, huh? Anyway, and I got my baby back after 44 years! Well, I mentioned I was up at Woodstock. I sure was. And went home and I wrote this song on this guitar. slow-mo.